Hey everybody, it's Stephanie.
And James.
And today we are going to be replacing Lance's cabin air filter.
That's right, it's pretty easy to do.
Very.
Lance is a 2015 ProMaster, and this is going to work the same on any ProMaster based RV.
Right, or any just ProMaster in general. But the first question you should probably be asking is, do you need to change your cabin air filter?
Right, so ask yourself this question. 1, do I breathe air? If the answer to that is yes, then ask, when was the last time you replaced your cabin air filter? And if your answer is something like during the Carter administration, then
it's time.
Yeah. Ideally, you should replace it every 6 months, but in an RV that you're using seasonally, maybe
push it maybe to a year.
Yeah. It's pretty easy to do.
Super easy. Even I can do it, and so I'm going to be doing it today because it's one of the tasks that I like to handle with Lance. So you get to watch me do this. So
I'm going to get behind the camera. Let's go.
Okay. All right, step 1 is to pop the hood. In the ProMaster, that's pretty easy. It's just right here. Okay. Okay, there's a little button under there. Where's the thingy-majiggy? Okay, we're open. So the only tool you need is a Phillips screwdriver and nothing too long or too short because it's kind of hard to get into it. You've got 2 screws you've got to unscrew in here. So here we go. Okay, and so with that, the air filter just kind of falls out and then you can just pull it like that. Oh, ours isn't too terrible, I guess. All right, now for replacing it. Okay, so the air filter we got, it's this EcoGuard one. We just got it off Amazon, so it's super easy to order off Amazon. And that's the shape that it looks like. One thing you want to note is there's a little arrow on there. You see that arrow? That kind of helps you know which way the air is going to flow, which way to put it in. But it's pretty easy to tell anyway because of the shape. So anyway, from there, you're just going to pop off the top frame of the filter. This black part pops off. There's the old one. And, oh, yeah, there's a little dirt there. It looks like it was time to change after all. And then this goes in this top frame. Let's see. Shove it in. Perfect fit. And then you just pop these back in. Just like that, ta-da. And then I've got to get my screws and I'm about to screw this back in. All right, it's a little fussy to get back in. You want to make sure the back end is fits down into the bottom and then it has a nice fit up on the top. And oh, I should have been better about having my screws ready. Then it's just a matter of finding the holes, screwing them back in. There we go. Okay, and the other one. Ooh, let's see. Okay. And that's it. It's that simple.
Okay, so again, we'll have a link to that air filter over on the accompanying post on thefitrv.com. It's easy to get.
Yeah, and so that wraps it up. Don't forget to do your maintenance, guys.
Bye, everyone.